In today's video, we are going to create this awesome audio spectrum inside Adobe After Effects. It's very super simple to create audio spectrum inside After Effects. If you are new here, then please consider to subscribing this channel to watch more videos like this. Without further delay, let's begin. Alright, now we are in After Effects. First of all, I will create a new comp. So for this, I will go to Composition, select New Composition. I will call it Final Spectrum. And here are a lot of presets. So I will select only 25 fps presets. And I will keep half resolutions. And duration, I will keep it 1 minute long. And click OK. And now we have 1 minute long composition. So first of all, I will drop my music for audio spectrum. Over here's menu, then right click and pre-compose. I will keep it as a default and then click OK. So now I will create a solid layers for our audio spectrum and simply right click here and go to new and select the solid. And I will name it audio spectrum and click OK. And now we have audio spectrum layers to create our audio spectrums. So before to make our audio spectrum, you have to need a one plugins that is called Red Giant Trapcode. If I will go to effects and presets from here, if I will search form, and here you can see form effects, and here is the Red Giant Trapcode plugin for free. It's menu. Make sure you have downloaded it from the description. I have given the link in the description below. Before to start it, please download and follow along with me. Simply make sure your audio spectrum layer is selected, then select this form effect and drop it over audio spectrum. This is our base forms that we will customize to create our audio spectrum. So first of all, I will go inside base form, and from here base form size I will change it into XYZ individuals because I need to customize it as an individual XYZ. So base form size X, I will decrease it 400 and I will same here 400. And I don't need to more size along z-axis, therefore I will decrease it from here, and 200 is perfect. Okay, so I need more many particles along x-axis, therefore I will increase the x-axis particles 300 and same here 300. Okay, I don't need more particles along z-axis, therefore I will keep it 1. Okay, everything is perfect. Now we have a square shape form. So now I will quiet this base forms and it's time to go inside spherical field and go inside sphere 1, and from here increase the strength our spheres all the way 100. So now I need to increase more radius of our sphere. I will make it 300. It's maybe good. Okay, and now I will decrease more feather of this sphere. From here I will keep it 45. Everything is good here. Oh, it's time to go back and I will go inside fractal field because I need some more fractals inside this sphere. Select the effect size 2, select the effect size 2, and same here effect opacity 2. Okay, so now I will increase the displays here because I need more displays into our sphere. So here is the displays. I will keep it 120 is good. And everything is good here. Now I will quiet these fractal fields. Now basically our audio spectrum has been completed, but it is not reacting as our audio wave is reacting. To make it reactables, I will go inside audio react, and here is our audio layers, and I will change it into music comp 1 that we have just created. Now I can further customize it. So for this I will go inside reactor 1, and here is the map. I will change it into fractals because I need more fractals. Now I will quiet this reactor 1 and go inside reactor 2, and here is the map 2. I will also change it into spheres 1 size because I need 1 size sphere. Okay, everything is good. Now I will decrease the strength of our reactor too. So here is the reactor strength. I will keep it 55. It's looking very great. So now everything is perfect here. It's time to go to change our colors. If you don't like the white colors, I will quit this audio react from here. So for this to change our colors, I will go inside particles and here is the color. Select the color which do you like. I am going with green color because this is my favorite. Okay, click OK. So now everything is good and perfect. It's looking great. Now simply select both of these layers, then right click and pre-compose, and I will name it spectrum and click OK. So now I have final spectrum. Simply select this layer and press P to move this position along x-axis like this. So now I will type something here. So for this I will go to and select the type tool and click here and I will type audio spectrum. Then select the selection tool and move it over here. Okay, it's looking great. Double click over here, then select the audio. I will change its font. From here I will make it regular because I need regular font. So now it's time to create our background. So for this I will go back to our main project. Select this background and drop it behind our spectrum layers. So it is much brighter, so I need to make it less brighter. So for this select this background and press T to bring our opacity, and I will keep it all the way down. Maybe 10 is good. So it's looking very great. So now double click here and select the spectrum. I will also change it and I will make it only bold from here. This is Eastman font. I have downloaded it from the DAW font. You can also download it from the DAW font. It's totally free. Okay, everything is perfect. Now it's time to render our final result. So for this I will press Ctrl M to bring our render queue. Here you can see output module. You can click here and here is the setting. I will select the format H.264. It's very good and perfect and everything is good, and click OK. And also select the output directory where you want to save our final result. Okay, I will save it on the desktop and simply click on the render. Before to render, always save it from here and then click render. And here is our final result.